Hey Tom, it's Tammy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. So today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to be at the top of Google search and beat out your competitor today, who I put in as Mortar City Masonry. So you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you, and it's pretty simple. Most business owners are too busy running their business and taking good care of their customers that they don't have time to learn how the internet can bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So what I started doing was just creating these attack plans and giving them away for free. Some people take this information and do it themselves, and other people call me back and say, Tammy, I like what you said, I just don't have the time, could you do it for me? So whatever you decide to do with this information is completely fine with me. My only goal is to educate you a little bit and make you a lot of money. So today we're going to go over three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So I want to start on your Facebook page first. Everything's filled in really well here. I did want to let you know each picture that you do have, you could save as a keyword. So instead of download, if you save those, not even as your business name, because people might not be searching for you particularly, but like Masonry, Michigan, or Masonry, Novi, Michigan, something along that line. And you want to save each picture as a different keyword. That way when people are searching for different things, you can pop up. Now going over to your website. I really like that you have the contact us right up at the top page. The picture that you have here is really nice clean layout. Google, however, doesn't really care what your website looks like. They mostly care about the content, which is all the words in here that you can read. And the more content, the better, because then it makes Google look at you like you're an authority. And the average ad has about 1,500 words of content. So I did put you into wordcounter.net to speed things up. And you're at 1,024, so you're close. But getting that full 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage alone would definitely optimize your website and get you to that #1 spot. Also, these pictures too can be saved as keywords too. So instead of just numbers and letters, you would want to save that out as something relevant. You know, stamped concrete, Michigan. That would be a good one for this one. The second thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks. So a backlink is a website that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially be bringing you more traffic. But it's really important to keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. So for example, if you did some work for Pizza Hut and they sent you a link, it's really not going to do any good for you because you're not a pizza company. As say if you did some work for another concrete company and they sent you a link, then that would really help you to rank. So we do have a paid tool that we use called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put you up here at the top, and I'll just break down the analytics for you. So the DR is the power that your website has. So you could be getting more power. You get power from backlinks. So you, once again, you do want to make sure the backlinks are relevant to your line of work. The trust that Google has in your website, that's the UR. As marketers, we like to see it filled up a little bit more. But it is good. You have 493 backlinks. So you have 64 sites referring back to you. So if someone were on one web page and they click on something, they could potentially be drawn to your website, which would be giving you organic traffic that way. And again, if you had more content within your webpage, you'd be able to stuff in more organic keywords, which would bring in more than 16 people per month. And again, you wouldn't have to be paying for anything. So this website, this tool is really great, but I always tell people that it's not 100% accurate. So it is very close, and it does tell us marketers like what is how your website is doing and how your competition is doing as well. So I'm going to bring them up as well, just because they've done the hard work for you. All you have to do is copy them. If it's good enough to get them on the first page, it's good enough to get you there too. And I can tell just by looking at your Facebook page that you definitely get more than 16 people per month, though. You have like 2,000 followers, which is great. So once again, their numbers are probably a little higher than shown here as well. You can see their backlinks. They don't have as many backlinks as you, but yet because of their organic keywords, the content that they do have inside their website, they're able to stuff in more organic keywords and really get about 500 people per month coming to them. So some keywords that would be good to rank for. So this is a search volume per month. How about this one? 600. Brick caulk. Save a picture is that. 600 people are looking for that. Painting brick pavers before and after. Whether, they don't have to know what the picture looks like. No, they can't read these, what you save your pictures as. They can't read them. So you can save your pictures as all these different keywords and really get yourself to ranked. 200 people per month are searching cracked mortar repair. So it's so important the amount of content that you have within your website to be able to get the relevant keywords put in there. And the reason I chose Motor City Masonry is because they were up here when I did Google Masonry, Michigan, up here organically in what we call the Google Map Pack. So another thing, in order to get in here, you want to get in citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, listed in various directories all throughout the web, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, the Facebook page that you have. That's where filling out your pictures as keywords comes in handy. So we really ideally like 30% of your revenue to come from up here, and these guys would be really easy to beat out. And then the other 70% we like to find down here, have you down here organically. So you should ideally be getting 100% of your revenue from the first page of Google organically. So if you do find yourself wanting to scale further, feel free and reach out, and I can do some more research for you and find out what exactly could be a realistic goal for your business. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.